Hello everyone, welcome to Walk with English. Today we are going to study about the simple present tense. The simple present tense is used to express daily routines, repeated actions or general truths. First, we have to study the positive form of the simple present tense. Next, the formula of the positive form of the simple present tense is subject plus verb plus object. If the subject is I, we should use verb and the object. If the subject is plurals like we, they and plural nouns boys, we use verb as well object. If the subject is singular like pronouns he, she, it and singular noun girl, we should add s or es to the verb. Is it clear? We add s or es at the end of the verb if the subject is singular, like third person singular pronouns he, she, it and the singular nouns like girl. Verb plus s or es and object. If the subject is singular, there are some rules when we add s or es at the end of the verbs. If the verb ends with, the first rule is cha, sha, x or isn, we add es at the end of the verb. For example, watch. The verb ends with cha, then we add es at the end of the verb. The second rule, if the verb ends with y before vowel, we simply add s at the end of the verb. For example, the verb play. The verb play ends with y before vowel, so we add end of the verb s. The third rule is, if the verb ends with y before non-vowel, we omit y and add ies at the end of the verb. Examples, carry. The verb ends with y before non-vowel, so we omit y and ies at the end of the verb. The fourth rule is none of above rules. None of above rules. Example, the verb run, the final letter is n. There is no any verbs ends with na, so we add is at the end of the verb. Runs. Okay. Let's find the answers for these examples. You should use the correct form of the verb within brackets. First one is, the subject is I. If the subject is I, we simply use the verb, base form of the verb. Then the answer should be go. I go to the cinema once a week. Once a week. Right. She, it is a third person singular pronoun and the verb ends with ch sound, so we should add es at the end of the verb, right? She catches the train to work. They. It is a plural pronoun and also it is a plural subject. So we should use the base form of the verb. The verb is not should be changed. Then he. It is a singular pronoun. So we should add SOES at the end of the verb. The verb ends with N. It is none of above rules and we add S at the end of the verb. He listened to music every night. The chef, it is a singular noun and the verb within brackets is fry. Then the verb ends with Y before non-vowel. Then what would be the answer? Comment me. Thank you.